Ever wondered if you can actually cash out on StashAway? Like, can you pull your money out whenever you want? Or is it locked up in some investment black hole? Let's dive in and find out. First things first, let's quickly recap what StashAway is. It's a digital investment platform that makes investing as easy as ordering a pizza. You choose your risk tolerance, set up automatic investments, and let the platform handle the rest. The flexibility of StashAway. Now, the big question, can you cash out? Yes, you can. StashAway offers a high degree of flexibility. You can withdraw your money whenever you need it. How to cash out? Here's a simple breakdown of the process. Log into your StashAway account. Navigate to the Withdraw section. Specify the amount you want to withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal. And that's it. Your funds will be transferred to your linked bank account. A few things to keep in mind. While you can cash out whenever you want, there are a few things to consider. Market fluctuations. The value of your investments can go up or down. If you withdraw during a market downturn, you might realize a loss. Withdrawal fees. Some plans might have minimal withdrawal fees. Tax implications. Remember, investment gains are often subject to capital gains tax. The power of long-term investing. While it's great to have the flexibility to cash out, it's important to remember the power of long-term investing. By staying invested for the long haul, you can ride out market fluctuations and benefit from compound interest. So, should you cash out? The decision to cash out is a personal one. If you need the money for a short-term goal, it might make sense. However, if you're saving for a long-term goal, like retirement, it's generally best to stay invested. Final thoughts. StashAway offers a convenient and flexible way to invest. The ability to cash out whenever you need gives you peace of mind. However, it's important to weigh the potential short-term gains against the long-term benefits of staying invested. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.